Session for Hine Kōpū, pregnant women in Northland, a course built from knowledge handed down through generations.
My grandmother, she used to take care of hapū mama in our community.
It's led to a program tailor-made for the local community, a concept there's appetite for under the health reforms, with oversight from the newly formed Māori Health Authority.
Currently we work in a system that really has low tolerance or doesn't acknowledge kaupapa Māori in its own right within the services.
The sense of not being understood also at the heart of this community health and social services provider in Waikakahi, an hour south of Auckland.
All good.
Those at the Huakina Development Trust welcoming the reforms, unfazed by a lack of detail over exactly what and how they'll deliver.
For us it's a biggie and we have faith in it. We're not sure if government leaders have faith in it, but we have faith in it because it's better than what we had before.
This will be the opportunity for us to really start to seriously address the issues where we've fallen short in terms of outcomes for Māori, and we're all aware of that.
But balancing high aspiration with the daily demands of a busy sector will be challenging. Whangarei Hospital, like many around the country, already short of staff, with winter still ahead.
The big challenge is our workforce, and particularly our nursing workforce. We usually have about 30 sick calls every day, and so that's really challenging to keep beds open and carry on delivering planned care.
The front line under siege, but behind the scenes entities like the National Blood Service are seeing existing contracts with DHBs rolled over to be managed by Health NZ. The new entity also prioritising ongoing funding for the many charities and non-governmental agencies receiving financial support. One of the fundamental changes ahead is that the new system will ensure the health sector has overarching national plans that can be coordinated and delivered on a regional basis. The expectation that programs like this won't simply be copied and rolled out en masse, but adapted to suit individual communities.
My hope or my aspiration is that this is a transformational time, that this time of reform is about transformation.
It might be the beginning for others, but it's been a long journey for most Māori providers. So this is not new, and we're used to change, and we will change if it's good for our whānau.
Change that may still be some time in the making. Nicole Bremner, One News.
And tomorrow night we look